10 benefits of drinking garlic water daily. Garlic water is a healthy and nutritious beverage that has been used for centuries in many cultures as a natural remedy for various ailments. Made by infusing fresh garlic in water, garlic water is rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that offer a range of health benefits. In this video, we will discuss 10 benefits of garlic water and how it can improve your health. 1. Strengthens the immune system. Garlic water is known for its high content of antioxidant compounds that help fight free radicals and strengthen the immune system. Garlic contains compounds such as allicin, ascorbic acid, and zinc, all of which are important for immune system health. 2. Helps fight infections. Compounds present in garlic, including allicin, have natural antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Drinking garlic water can help fight various infections, including respiratory infections, urinary tract infections, and fungal infections. 3. Improves heart health. Garlic water can help improve heart health in several ways. Garlic is known to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which can help prevent heart disease. 4. Helps reduce inflammation. Garlic water contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for people who suffer from arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory diseases. 5. Helps prevent cancer. Several studies have shown that compounds present in garlic can help prevent cancer. Allicin, for example, has anti-cancer properties that can help prevent the growth of cancer cells. 6. Improves digestion. Garlic water can help improve digestion and prevent digestive problems such as constipation and indigestion. Garlic is rich in compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and help break down food. 7. Helps reduce stress. Compounds present in garlic, including allicin and ascorbic acid, have antioxidant properties that help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Drinking garlic water can help reduce stress and improve mood. 8. Helps improve bone health. Garlic is a rich source of manganese, calcium, and vitamin B6, all of which are important for bone health. Drinking garlic water regularly can help strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. 9. Helps improve skin health. Garlic water contains antioxidant compounds that help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. These compounds also help reduce inflammation in the skin, which can be beneficial for people who suffer from acne, eczema, and other inflammatory skin conditions. In addition, garlic contains compounds such as ascorbic acid and selenium, which help keep the skin healthy and youthful. These compounds can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, spots, and other signs of aging. 10. Helps to control blood sugar. Garlic contains compounds that help regulate blood sugar levels. Drinking garlic water can be beneficial for people who suffer from diabetes or prediabetes, helping to control blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. If you have any health problems and are unsure about using garlic water, it is always important to talk to a healthcare professional before adding any supplements or natural remedies to your routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel, leave your like, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to leave your comment. Tell me if you already use garlic water.